Hi, I'm Julian. Welcome back to another Technical Tuesday. In today's video, we've got our JL-200 and I'm going to show you how to install a photocell in it. So the cool thing about that setup is it's going to let the lights turn on automatically for you at night, and when the sun comes up, it'll shut off for you as well. Super handy, right? Let's dive into it. So first things first, we got to make sure we have three parts. We need the light fixture, one photocell, and make sure you have a photocell receptacle. All three of these are actually sold separately. So once you got all that set up, we're going to locate our plate. So it's actually going to come just like this out of the box. This is the plate we're looking for right here. There's actually going to be 4 screws. So we're going to knock those out with our drill. I recommend having this set to a torque setting of 10. That way you get them out smoothly. So once we got the plate out, you're going to flip it over. Notice there's a gasket that came with it. This gasket can be discarded. We no longer need that because the photocell receptacle actually comes with a brand new one. This one's super important, I'll tell you why. There's actually 2 sides to it. You'll notice one's got more of an indent. That's going to lock in place with your photocell receptacle. That's going to help keep the water out. So we've got our gasket in with the receptacle now. The next thing we're going to do is cram the wiring into the light fixture. Now that we've got our wiring inside, take note there's a little arrow pointing north on top of the receptacle. So make sure you line that up so that it functions properly. Then you're going to want to set the receptacle in. And then there's 2 screws that came in the package. You're just going to seat those in, and then we're ready for the next step. So with our receptacle installed, we're just going to flip this over. And we're going to locate the 2 latches on this side. We're just going to pop those open. Pretty easy to do. There's 1 and 2. So with the latches open, you'll find the 2 hidden screws. We're just going to take those out to access the driver. So we've got our driver compartment opened up. The first thing we're going to do is look for our cables that we originally fed through from the receptacle. Once you've got that located, just put them aside for now because you're going to need that in a second. Then you're going to notice there's a bundle of wires closest to you. That's all your line side wires. They're going to be wrapped up with zip tie, so we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Take the 3 white neutral wires, or you can call them return wires. They're going to all be on the same quick connect. Go ahead and disconnect those. Then locate the return wire from the receptacle that you fed through, and we're going to combine those all together. Then we're going to tighten them nice and secure with a red. So now we're going to locate the quick connect with 3 black line wires. Find the one that's on the line side, disconnect that, and we're going to hook that up to the line wire for the photocell receptacle. Use the quick connect to link those 2 together. Locate the red load wire from the receptacle, and then we're going to hook that up to the quick connect with the 2 black wires that we originally had. So to keep things tidy, we're just going to go ahead and grab a zip tie. We're going to use that to secure the bundle of wires we made all the connections with. That'll help prevent putting any strain on the wires while they're inside. So with our wiring done, we're just going to put everything back in. Make sure nothing gets pinched. Close up the latch. Grab the 2 screws that we originally put aside. And we can seal those up. And don't forget the 2 latches on the side. Alright, so our driver compartment's all sealed up. We're going to flip the light fixture back over again. And we're going to grab our photocell. You'll notice, same thing as the receptacle, there's actually a little north arrow on this one too. So you're going to line that up with the same north arrow on the receptacle. And it should lock into place. And that's it, your photocell's installed. Now that you got your photocell installed, your JL-200 is ready for action. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.